How to pay your CIBC Costco Mastercard bill. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to do so is quite straightforward, so let's get started. Head over to your CIBC online banking app and then log in. From the home page, select on the three dots which is next to the send money option. Tapping on it to take you to another page from where select pay a bill. But make sure you have set up Costco Mastercard as a payee. For that, you have to tap on Add Payment, search for your card type, and then select the appropriate option from the results. Then after, you'll have to provide your card account's designated details and a nickname for easier identification. It might also ask you for a verification method. You can ask or select SMS and enter the code sent via text message. Once that is done, you can return to your bill payment section, enter the payment amount, and select the account to pay from. After this, you can confirm and submit your request, and you will receive a notification indicating the payment was successful. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.